From the massive devastation that Uttarakhand has seen, fears of an epidemic are now on the rise. Times Now's Prema Sridevi, who's at the Gauchar Air Base, spoke to a preventive medicine expert from the army.
I'm standing in Gauchar. Along with me is a specialist in preventive medicine. Remember, there are people who have been stranded for 10 long days. There is a widespread fear of spread of epidemics. In fact, in certain areas, as far as places like Gupta Kashi is concerned, at least 200 to 250 people have been suffering from various types of fever, diarrhea, dysentery. Let's talk to the specialist. Doctor, please tell us, why are you really here?
Ma'am, to actually make a survey and see, basically to prevent epidemics. Mostly there is a threat of, actually now there is nothing, no, you can say no reports of epidemics, but we are here to actually prevent epidemics. In such kind of scenarios, there is a real threat of epidemics that needs to be prevented. That's why we are here.
We have been informed by certain officers of the army that in Gupta Kashi, at least yesterday, they had found that there are some people who have been suffering from fever, dysentery, different types of fever. Now, where are you planning to head today, and what are you looking at?
I'll first meet our boss in this place, then we'll decide.
How important is it for you personally as a doctor? How important is it for you to be here where there are so many people who are in need of help, as far as even if it is preventive medicines or treatment for their various diseases? How important is it for you to be here?
It's important, ma'am. It's definitely important because we need to advise all our troops, all our commanders, all our medical debts regarding what all steps have to be taken to prevent epidemics. Basically, it needs to be prevented, and this is the time to do so. We are here.
If you can just give a sense of what exactly you would be doing here, in the sense you are here to prevent certain.
Ma'am, we will survey things, how things are, and we'll advise our medical debts. We'll advise our commanders. We'll advise our troops to take necessary precautions for themselves and how to prevent epidemics amongst the people affected.